Raymond online class for 12th mathematics. Next topic, some binary operation on Boolean matrices. Now consider let A is equal to the matrix Aij and B is equal to the matrix Bij be any two Boolean matrices of same type. Then their joined symbol is V and the meet is symbol power symbol are defined as follows. First definition, joined of matrix A and B. So A joined B equal to the element Aij matrix joined the element Bij matrix. Combine these two elements, we get another element, that is the matrix Aij. So with the element where Cij the element is what? 1. If either Aij equal to 1 or Bij equal to 1. 0. If the both element Aij equal to 0 and the Bij element equal to 0. This definition simply we say that it clear that the element a small b are the elements. A joined b is equal to maximum of a comma b. Maximum of a comma b. The element a comma b belongs to the set 0 comma 1, which is the simple definition for joined, students. Okay, next definition for meet of a and b. Meet of a and b. So A meet means its symbol is power symbol. Okay, we can use the power symbol. A meet B is equal to the matrix Aij meet Bij the matrix. The elements are meted. We got again the elements that matrix combined. We got matrix Cij where Cij equal to 1. If both Aij equal to 1 and Bij equal to 1. Okay. Aij equal to 1 and Bij equal to 1. We get 1. And then 0 if either Aij equal to 0 or Bij equal to 0. It clear that A, the elements, another definition, it clear that the element A meet B is equal to minimum of a comma b. Minimum of a comma b. For every a comma b belongs to the set values 0 comma 1. The set values 0 comma 1. Okay. Which is the definition, friends. So now example 12.8. Now see example 12.8, students. Let A is equal to the matrix 2 by 2 matrix 0 1 1 1. B equal to matrix 2 by 2 matrix 1 1 0 1. Be any two Boolean matrices of same type. Find A joined B and A meet B. Okay. Solution. Now A joined B is equal to the right matrix A joined matrix B. So 0 joined 1, 1 joined 1, 1 joined 0, 1 joined 1. So joined means maximum of a comma b. Which one is maximum? 1. Here maximum 1. Here 1. Here 1. That is the matrix A joined B is equal to another matrix C, that is 1 1 1 1. So same model, A meet B is equal to the matrix 0 1 1 meet 1 1 0 1 is equal to 0 meet 1, 1 meet 1, 1 meet 0, 1 meet 1. We can write here. So meet definition means what? Minimum of a comma b. Meet definition is minimum of a comma b. 0 1 minimum is 0. 1 comma 1 minimum is 1. 1 0 minimum 0. 1 1 that is minimum 0. The matrix 0 1 0 1 which is the A meet B matrix. Students, this very easy one. Okay, students. Now see exercise 12.1 8th question. Okay, exercise 12.1 8th question. Let A is equal to 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. B equal to another matrix. C is another matrix. Be any three Boolean matrices of same type. They are same order. Find first subdivision A joined B. Second question A meet B. Third question A joined B of meet C. Third one A meet of B of joined C. So solve these three questions, students. First one A joined B is equal to write down matrix A 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, and then next here write joined another matrix B matrix 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, already we know definition, students. Okay, what the definition means? What? A joined B is equal to it's nothing but maximum of A comma B. Okay, and then another definition, A meet B is equal to minimum of A comma B. Minimum of A comma B. That is the another definition. Okay, already we see this. Okay, so now 1 joined 0, which is maximum 1. So 1. Next 0 comma 1, 1 is maximum. 1 comma 1, 1 comma 0 is 1. 0 comma 1 is 1. And then same manner 0 1, which is maximum 1. 1 0 1. 0 1 1. 1 0 1. Again 1 joined 1, which is maximum 1. 0 here 0. Another one 0. Another one 1. That's the answer for first subdivision, friends. Next again, A meet B is equal to, we can write A matrix, meet symbol, again B matrix. So meet definition is what? Minimum of A comma B. So here 1 0, which is minimum 0. 0 1 0. 1 0 0. Again 0 1 0. Next 0 1 0 1 0 0. 0 1 0 1 0 0. Next 1 1 is 1. 0 0 0. Here see minimum value. Next 0 0 0. 1 1 minimum is 1. 1 0. Okay. Next the third subdivision, students. A joined B of meet C. Okay. First we already solved this first subdivision. Okay, fill here. And then meet symbol C matrix. Okay. So again we can choose this word meet. Okay. Meet means what? Minimum values. Meet means minimum value. Join means maximum value. Okay. So here 1 1, which is minimum 1. 1 1 minimum 1. 1 0 minimum 0. 1 1 minimum 1. So same manner 1 0 0. 1 1 1. 1 1 minimum 1. 1 0 minimum 0. 1 1 1. 0 0 0. Sorry, 0 1 minimum is 0. 0 1 minimum is 0. And then 1 1 minimum is 1. That's the third subdivision, students. And then fourth, A meet B joined C. So already we solved second subdivision, fill second subdivision. Here joined symbol matrix C. Okay. Here matrix C. Fill that. Next here use the symbol is what? Joined. Joined means what? Maximum. So 0 1 maximum 1. 0 1 maximum 1. 0 0 maximum 0. 0 1 maximum 1. Next 0 0 maximum 0. 0 1 maximum 1. 0 1 maximum 1. 0 0 maximum 0. Next 1 1 maximum 1. 0 1 maximum 1. 0 1 maximum 1. 1 1 maximum 1. That is the problem for 8th subdivision, students. 8th question. Very simple. Do it then. Okay, students. Thank you.